Hi there, Nancy here. Listen up as I share my latest tip of focusing on large gift fundraising. Let's talk about how to end the year strong because a lot happens in the last few weeks, 6 weeks. People are writing checks now, and you can't just go silent. You can't just disappear. It's just reminder time. So when you get to December, you've nurtured people, you've cultivated people, you've done a mailing, possibly. You've got this time before some of the big religious holidays start that I think it's open time to call, especially if you drop some mailings. But then it's not just that letter that's always going to get it. Do phone calls, and you might say, "Hey, Nancy, how are you doing? How was your Thanksgiving holiday? I hope you're getting together with family and friends. I'd love to catch up. We haven't seen each other in a couple of months. One reason I'm calling is to see if you've received our year-end mailing and if we can count on you this year." Something like that. It is just a quick, can we count on you this year? You've always been so incredibly supportive, always recognize them for their gift. You're asking them for money, but it's a quick one. I just wouldn't be afraid to call because you've messaged them, they've seen your name. Here's the thing is, I think we are so fearful that we're going to offend somebody. They know you're a nonprofit. They've given before. You're not cultivating right now. So we've got to get over any fear or apologies that we're a nonprofit and that we need money. We are a nonprofit and we need money. And over here are people who have the funds and are so passionate, and they get what we're trying to do. They get it. And over here are the homeless people, the people who want to stay independent or learning about cultures, and their more passion is aligned with our mission. That's the feel. And even remind people in your conversations, I know how strong you feel about what we're doing. It's always important to remind them why they gave in the first place. You're doing that subtly. You're saying, I know because you've been giving for so many years how important this is, and you realize how important it is for our community. Remind people why it's important. This is the season for asking. Be sure you are signed up to receive my quick tips and strategies each week by clicking the link here. See you next time.